Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence, August 29th. Self-awareness is not self-centeredness, and spirituality is not narcissism. Marianne Williamson. I've become more self-aware over time, and I now pay attention to my mental check engine light and take myself out to the woods for maintenance. I listen to my body when it tells me I am emotionally on fumes instead of just low, and refill my tank before I run out of gas. I check my pressure to make sure I don't go flat or explode. Being self-aware means you can adjust as need be on your road to excellence. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.